Substitution rep. Asho, to reach sa ilalim, Pinrasa, no good. And get the same ball. Inbound by Johnson. To reach. Pinrasa ulit, wala pa rin. Inbound by Johnson. Pass to Asho, 4-3. No good. Bakunawa, wala pa rin. Inbound ulit Bakunawa. Bibigyan mo sa ilalim. And it's a 3 seconds violation on Bakunawa. Inbound by number 17. So Nato, aras by Asho. Aras by 2. Steal by Asho. And that's a backing violation. It's a backing violation. Inbound by D. Number 17. Back at the ZD. Drive. Wala. And there's a foul on number 27. Dozen.
Ikaw, Jake. Kaya nung aso yung kasi. Abila, walang tao sa abila.
Inbound by Jana. Number 17. Casey. Aras by Asho. To Nato. Nato. Sa ilalim. Denied no good. Inbound by Hicks. Going court to court. And there's no whistle. Foul on. Inbound by Asho. To reach. 4-3. No good. Inbound by Baby Shark. To Nato. Number 17. Looking for a teammate. Pass to John. Down again to number 17. To John again to Baby Shark. Baby Shark. Block. Nakuha ni Joma. Tulungan John. To Nato. Nato, pinasa lang ng JV. Sinira. No good. Down by Baby Shark. Tama ng Livo. Labaran ke bawah Nato. Nato Sinira. No good. Down by Sumujo. Ada power play move there by Sumujo. Pass to Bakunawa. Joma bring down the ball.
Pagpigil mo yung karino mo kalit na.
Bumababa ang bola.
Dapat mo.
Nawala. Almost lose the ball.
Baby Shark.
Isip lang pala.
Sa gitna lang muna. Sino lamang? Alamang. Sino? Kalaban? Ha? Ilan?
Running score. 28.5 inside. Bukan by Baby Shark. Yesterday by Baby Shark. Bring down the ball. Pass to Wicks. Pass to Kumbagaan again. Pinilang no good. Bukan by Bakunawa. And there's no result. Foul on.
Hintayin mo sila. Kumesto.
Ugon. To Wicks. Wicks grabs. Pinasa ilalim and it's not stepping on the
Balik no.
Inbound by Joma. Tumatong makagin Joma. Joma.
Double team niya, Picote.
Almost lose the ball. Pass to Osu by Nato. Nato, long pass to Igona. Yung Zara. Last touch on Baby Shark.
Naiyak ka pa, ha? Sakto lang. Uy, kabila!
And are they happy? And it's a trouble violation. Nador, aras by 2.
Bigyan mo na balik!
Still by Lubex, nawala ang bola. Foul is ball, Jama, long pass to Josie. Pass to Meisha. The ball 4 seconds. That's right, foul. First personal foul, number 7. Plays back to the hard corner.
Ay, ninegos ang kayo. Okay lang yun, mamaya bawi. Basta pag alam mo na terror ka na, bumawi ka ng depensa.
Rebound by Nador. Igona, chop. Rahul. Nakuha ulit Igona. Paras by Nador. Luis, sidestep. Nasa ilalim. Wala. Foul sa by Nador.
Tira mo na yun
Within time, 1 minute.
Double team!
Jama, paras by 2 Blueshirts. Still there by Igona. Lays up. Within time, 14 seconds pala. 41 seconds. And it's a physical ball.
Okay! Ay,
Rebound by Igona to Wins. Bring down the ball. Back again to Igona. Back to Wins. To Bluebex. Chop. No move. Rebound by Igona. Good shot. Yes, the lead by Igona. Within time, 20 seconds.
dalawa lang yelo.
20 seconds. Jama. To Nador. Nador. Still there. Wins. 12 seconds. To Igona. Pushing the ball. Let's go in. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. 3.
Pakita mo naman kami dito na isang Galing na kami ito. Isang pasada lang. Ayaw mo ba? Alam mo itong kaibigan natin, no? Sakto lang. Ayabang pa nito. Gumano pa yun. Baltog pa lang po na. Basta pag talagang hinawakan ng polo dito, pag hawak ka ng tao, double team. Abangan yung drapas dito sa baba. Paano yung ulo? Tayo yung drapas. Ayun yung drapas. Ako yung kinawagis na. Ako yung taong-taong. Napasado lang dito. Damo lang. Ayaw mo ba? Wala na, kumakas. Gawin nyo ito. Mabilis! Nasa TV na ako. Live tayo! Live camera action! Mga GFC subscribers! Dapat natin lagi. Padaan lang daw. Stationary to. Padaan lang.